Hi Ron, and welcome to a new daily watchlist. In this daily watchlist, I'm just gonna cover the main pairs like always, and let's just quickly start off with euro dollar. First of all, euro dollar, we placed a long order this morning. Like I said in the previous videos, like we could reach into this demand zone, probably the lower end of the demand zone, and take an order from there. Now we took a very nice long order at the bottom of this small trend, and it looks like it is going to shoot up. Overall, I'm still bullish on euro dollar for now. Long term, I'm still bearish on euro dollar, but for now, I think we could reach at least until TP2 and maybe even go to TP3 afterwards. It all depends on the dollar, of course. So let's just quickly dive into the dollar to see what is happening there. Basically, we are inside of a supply zone. So this supply zone in here, like we marked already at the start of this week, I'm just waiting for a movement down. So if we can break this low in here, we can make like an engulfing, like a move down. I'm expecting to break this low basically in here to visit this demand zone in the lower end in there. Now let's go to AUD US dollar. And for AUD US dollar, I'm still bearish. I'm still waiting for a little bit of an upside. So I'm waiting for it to go back to take another order in here. Maybe not this one, but probably a little bit higher. I'm just waiting for it to visit this area and to look for a basically a lower time frame confirmation, right? So like a 15-minute or 5-minute like engulfing, some things like that. Overall, I'm still bearish on AUD US dollar, but since the dollar can become bearish, I'm just a little bit careful. Like we can get a lot of volatility. So let's go to GBP US dollar. We have some GBP news today, so it can become quite bullish or like a lot more volatility. There were some interest rates happening on GBP today, so be careful if you want to trade GBP US dollar. For now, we took an entry earlier in here, and currently it is shooting up from our demand zone. I think still that we can break these lows, but for now, I'm just carefully watching it. Like we already took a long in here. I'm not looking for a second entry. For now, it looks like this zone has been already put to a test like 4 times already, so we can easily break it. We can break these lows in here and visit the lower end in there. So if we're gonna mark a demand zone, I'm looking for this demand zone in there. Go to NZD dollar. For NZD dollar, still bullish. Looks like we're gonna break to the upside now. I'm still a little bit careful with this one. Like I think we can still visit these lower ends. But if we break this high in there, I'm sure we can reach like higher highs. We can reach until the upside in there. So keep that in mind and just watch it on a lower time frame if you want to trade the NZD dollar. Now go to gold. For gold, it's not really happening a lot. Basically, it's still stuck in range. Like I said, for May, we can be ranging, so it's not super interesting for now. We're still stuck in this mid-range in there. So for now, I'm still waiting for it to visit the lower end, to visit the 0.25 level. And afterwards, maybe shoot up to the 0.75. Just simply range trading. Maybe if we break this low, we can visit this lower zone. But for now, not super a lot to do for gold. Maybe for day trading, it can be good. Just some smaller trades, some smaller take profits. But yeah, I'm just waiting for it to get a little bit more volume to take like those bigger trades. Now go to Bitcoin real quick. Not really a lot happened since yesterday. It's breaking down a little bit. And yeah, for now, it looks like it is just bearish. So it looks like it's going to break lower. Unless we can go up again, we can visit these highs again. I'm still bearish on the Bitcoin. So let's just go to the daily time frame real quick, so you guys can get a better overall view of what's going on, basically. And for the daily time frame, like I said, we broke these lows. We created a new dynamic downtrend, basically. We failed to break this trend line. Like the original trend line used to be like this. We failed to break it. So currently it is just turning down. Unless we can visit this trend line again, I'm just bearish on Bitcoin. You probably don't want to hear it, but I'm just bearish on Bitcoin, and I'm just carefully watching what's going to happen. Of course, it could still be that some altcoins will shoot up, but for now the Bitcoin is just turning down, and can it make a lot more than it? Then it is just in a downtrend. We have major demand lower in here, not really a lot above here, so I'm just bearish for now unless we break these highs. And that was it for the watchlist for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next videos.